Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6b. Before starting this, I want to share something. This is the question and we are providing here the PDF and the handwritten assignments. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number which is 900 936 8238. You can save this number for your future purpose also by name of Encyclohub. EncycloHub provides all type of solutions regarding the study. If you need this, contact us today so we will provide accordingly. So based on your understanding of the passage below, make a note on it and appropriate format. Use recognizable abbreviation. Also supply an appropriate title for it. Color therapy is a complementary therapy for which there is evidence dating back thousands of years to the ancient cultures of Egypt, China, and India. We define it in the simple terms. Color is a light of varying wavelengths, and each color has its own particular wavelength and the energy. So here the many points are given here. So you have to make a project on this in the 500 words. So they have given some points here, and we have prepared all the answers according to the subjects and according to the needs. If you need this, contact us today so we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.